Hello guys, you're welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you how to use Canva, the best Canva Pro app that you have not used and you have not known what it meant to be used for. So we are going to go to Canva, then I'll bring you to app. In this app we have a lot of new applications that we have not used. We have a Mockup, say create inspiration product mockup for your project in seconds. So we're going to look at this mockup today. What can you do with mockup? Create new design. They say, what do you like to create? So I want to create a video. So in this is telling you what they can do. So let's take this out. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to go and drag and drop any image on this. So I come to my upload, then I'm going to use this. I'm looking for a picture. Let me go to my inbox and look for a beautiful picture. Let me try this one. So let's wait for it to load. Please help me to subscribe and like this video result. So I've just dragged it inside the mockup. Let's wait and see. So you see it here. You can use it as a graphic designer to to carry out your design. So let me go to the next page. This is it. So if I want to add a background to make this one look beautiful, I can as well come to this place, type background, type markup background. So let me use the markup background. Let me see this one. Fit it into page and reduce it. Or I can as well, I want to put it on top of a table. What is it? Let me check this one. So I put it on a place like this. So you see how beautiful it's looking. So I can as well go to the next page. If I want a lot of background, I can as well come here and check up on a lot of background. So if I want to put this in a t-shirt, I'll still go back here, take this one, then center it. This is the background I want to use for this t-shirt. Sorry, I know I'm supposed to remove a background in this picture, in this image, before using it. So in this one now, I'm going to first of all remove the background. Then for this, our picture should look more finer. Okay, better. After I might have removed the background, the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce this and reduce this. So I can as well come back to this place, look for my mockup, go to app. This is app, this is mockup. Then what did I want this time? I want a t-shirt. I want a t-shirt print. So apparel. So it's smart crop. If you want to crop it, I don't want to crop it. Let me see again. This thing is very small, so what I want to do is to detach the image here. Okay, so you see this, you see how fine it's looking. You see how fine it's looking. So there's a lot of things you can do with this mockup. Very easy as a designer. Very easy. Even in your printing. So I will come to here, go off, click on elements, look for mockup background. There are a lot of mockup background. Let me try this one. I want something that will match the watch because the watch is already white. See it. I want something that will match the watch. Let me keep checking. Okay, let's try this yellow and let's try the yellow and this thing. Yellow and red top. So also copy it, but since I did not copy it, let me go back and remove the background. So I've removed the background. Remove the background. Okay. Did you see that? Mockup. Let me look for more shirts. Do you see this? So if I still want to put another one, I want to put like this one too. I can as well take it and you see it has entered here, so I can fit it in. You see, so I can as well increase this. As my mockup image. So this is, if I want to remove the image, detach the image, I can as well highlight the one I want to detach the image and then click on detach. I can also align it anyhow I want to align it, and I can also change the color of the container. You see, if I don't like the container to be white, I can as well change the color to any color I want it to be. Let me try pink or purple. Let me try purple. Then tell it to apply. So this is how you can use your Mockup app on Canva to design whatsoever you want to, whatever you want to design. If you get value in this video, please do well to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I post a video you will be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.